Welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
My name is Yumi, not Yami. Today, I'm gonna make
Misosoup.
miso soup. Is a traditional Japanese soup made by mixing dashi and miso. Today, I will show you 3 quick and easy types of miso soup. Okay, let's get started. You only need these 4 ingredients. I used SHINSHU Red Miso for this soup. Slice okra thinly. Cut out the center of the tomato, then put in water on high heat and wait until boiled. Once boiled, remove the tomatoes and peel skin. Turn the heat low and add the dashi powder. Return the tomatoes and cook on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Now turn off the heat and add the miso. Gently dissolve it. Add okra. Turn the heat back on until right before boiling point. Now turn off the heat.
Itadakimasu.
You only need 5 ingredients. This miso is a stronger flavor than the usual red miso and goes well with seafood and meat dishes. Pour water in dehydrated wakame and set aside. Cut enoki in half. Cut tofu into small cubes. Squeeze out excess water from wakame. Add dashi into boiling water. Turn off the heat and dissolve the miso. Gently dissolve it. Gently add the tofu. Add the wakame and enoki. Turn the heat back on until right before boiling point.
Itadakimasu.
You only need 5 ingredients. I used SHINSHU white miso for this soup. White miso is sweeter and gives off gentle flavors. Chop all the vegetables into matchsticks. I don't peel them, but you can peel if you want to. Put all the vegetables into boiling water. Scoop out the scum surface with a ladle. Lower heat and cook until soft. Add dashi and dissolve. Turn off the heat and add the miso. Gently dissolve it. Turn the heat back on until right before boiling point.
Itadakimasu.
Miso soup is a very healthy and easy dish, so give it a go! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね